Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have been looking for a coffee table for my living room to meet the needs of my family for quite a while. Well, I have found it. This thing is fantastic and I want to tell you about it. So I'm just going to start off by telling you about the best feature. It is a lift top coffee table. It is fantastic. I can't believe how easy it is to use. That's my little son there doing it. And it's perfect for when you need to work or snack or whatever you need to do. It goes up and down with ease. This coffee table has a lot to offer. It's got some drawers at the bottom, so it's got lots of places to hide all the things that you don't want company to see. It also comes in different styles. I have it here in black, and you can see how beautiful that is. It's well made, it's very durable, and it was actually really easy to put together. I did it all by myself. I'm not the handiest person, and I did it, and it didn't take me too long. The instructions were very easy to read, so that's a huge plus. So another thing I really like about this is all the storage that it has to offer. You've got two drawers at the bottom, and it also has a wonderful little storage feature under the lift top where I put games. Look at me working. Oh yeah. So you can pretend that you're working, or we all know what we're really going to use it for, and that is for snacking. We don't want to lean up too far to get our chips, so that's another feature I love. This coffee table is wonderful. I love all of the things that it can do and how it meets all the needs that I had. It's great, it's durable. I think you're going to love it, and that's my point of view.